Okay, this is looking south at the chute, and you can see what a huge hole is washed out here in the levee of the chute. And there's just practically no levee here anymore. It's all gone. And this water here will go right straight out into the fields and head east. It goes from the west to the east. Okay, here I'm looking north, right straight north up the chute, and you can see now the water's real low. I'm right out in the chute itself, and the water's real low. But as I show you, looking east from here, you can see the levees washed out. And what will happen when the chute gets water in it, it's going to cut out and go right straight across this field to the east towards the main levee. I'm looking straight east. I'm out in the middle of a huge field, and you can see there's a huge channel cut in this field. And as I'm looking east towards the main levee, you can actually see I'm looking straight east, and there's the main levee. And this channel it's cut, the water is going to go straight to the main levee. It's already cut a huge channel all the way across this field. This is a huge field. And here I'm looking straight south. This thing's cut a huge channel right across this main big field here. See how deep the channel it's cut. It's really got deep. And the main water is going to come out of the chute, go across the field, through this channel right to the levee. Again, this huge hole's been washed out right at the levee of the chute. I'm standing up on the field looking down at this huge hole right by where the levee should be that goes into the chute. This is looking at the Big Muddy River, and I'm going to show you a hole that's washed out in the levee of the Big Muddy. You can see this levee's been washed out, and there's a huge ditch or channel going across this field right to the levee. You can see the main levee. This is another small ditch that it's cut from the big muddy that cuts its way out and goes into the channel that goes across the field that I just showed you.